Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're going to do a thing, and I might remember the words at some point.
You're going to see if the beef will open up this thing.
Let's try that again. Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I want to see if the beef can... No. Oh! It's an end card. Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're going to see if the Chicago X22s can beat the beef. What do you think, Mrs. D?
I think the beef will definitely open these.
Definitely?
Definitely.
Okay.
Because I can escape these ones.
Can you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, we're definitely trying that later.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are, because I can't escape these ones.
I can escape them. It's magic.
There is one thing that I didn't even think about with these X22s. I was thinking about the complicated mechanism, but it has that nice tight American keyway. It's not peerless tight, but it's still tight. And we already know beef doesn't like that. Oh, I can't get a hold of anything good in there.
You know.
No. I think the Chicago X22s have beat the beef.
You haven't even given it much of a try.
I can't get anything, I can't even get close. So that is Cuffs 5, Beef 13.
Didn't even give it a good enough try.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. It's because you were too excited.
Okay, so I'm going to pause that about here.